Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your device. Enable installs from unknown sources because the Play Store may not host every Joiplay version. Next, install the main Joiplay APK, then the appropriate plugins for RPG Maker or RenPy. Place your game files in an accessible folder, internal storage, or a dedicated Joiplay directory to simplify navigation later. Once done, open Joiplay and grant storage permission so the app can read files. This step prevents file access errors and gets you ready to load your first game. You add a game by tapping the plus icon and browsing to the game's main file, an executable script, or the project's root folder. Choose the correct engine type so Joiplay applies the right interpreter. This matters because RenPy and RPG Maker handle assets differently. Then fine-tune settings, set orientation, enable touch controls or keyboard mapping, and adjust audio sample rate for performance. If a game is slow, lower frame limit or enable frame skip. These choices balance speed versus visual smoothness. You can now play, use the game's normal saves, and also create Joiplay save states for quick recovery. Make periodic backups of save files to cloud or SD so updates won't overwrite progress. If the game crashes or shows script errors, open Joiplay's log to see missing files or encoding mismatches. Reselect the project folder, change encoding, or reinstall the matching plugin. Finally, clear Joiplay cache and restart the app. This often resolves stalled launches and file detection issues, getting you back into gameplay quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.